Okay. Number 10, pass to number 12 for the yellow team. Yellow team looking for his teammates, looking for the play. Pass to number 10. Number 10 attempt for 2 shots, no good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Number 9 penetrates steal. Oh, that's a foul by number 8 for the black team.
True. Basket.
Guys, Idol!
2 shots by Eric. Oh, steal by number 9. That's a nice, good steal by number 9. Santino, dribbling the ball. Santino, dribbling the ball with his teammates. Pass to number 9. Number 9 penetrates. Number 8, good shot. Follow up by number 8. Still by number 8 again. Number 8 dribbling the ball. Number 8 penetrates. Pass to number 5. Pass. Number 5. Oh, not shot. Number 4. Number 4. Number 7. Max. Pass to number 9. Max. Make a good shot. It's a good shot by Max. So, pass to number 8.
Last 1 minute na lang ba? Oras. Haba pa.
Number 8.
Kala ko seconds na lang eh.
Pass to number 9. Number 9, make an attempt.
Oh. Time out.
Timeout called by the yellow team.
Idol!
Pagod na eh. Nagabol kami. Pahinga muna. 23. Pagod na eh.
8 minutes, 23 seconds.
Wala tumawa sa 8. Wala. Tumawa sa 8 ah. Pasok natin. Papauras, 8 minutes pa. Masyadong sasayang pagkakaroon mo lawak. Lawak lang. Hanap ng maganda. Kaya mo ito sa 8 muna. Wala magbabato. Wala nga din. Wala yung 8? Oo, yung 8.
Puso na tayo. Lugaw na kami.
Pati natin.
Wala!
Number 10, pass to number 12. Looking for his teammates. Looking for the play. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 10, Eric. Eric penetrates. Number 9. Take it by number 4. Take it by number 12 of the black team. Giving the ball, number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 12. Number 12, take a shot. Back shot by number 10. Then rebound by number 12. By number 9, rebound by number 12 by yellow team. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 12. Oh, it's a foul.
Di tinawagan.
Oh, foul. Called by the referee Damian. Number 4, Batang. Blocking foul. Eh, maganda pag napapause, tawanan lang.
7:37.
Ilan? 7 minutes and 37 seconds. Bilisan na natin. Lugaw na kami. Number 8. Pass to number 4. Make a 3-point shot by number 4.
Akin bola.
Jump ball. Ball possession of yellow.
Yellow ball. Nice rep.
Yellow ball.
Uy, dalawa na ang bola, rep.
Number 10, pass to number 12.
Zoom yun, kaya lang ano.
Number 12,
Pangit ng
pass to
paano
number
ano.
10.
Zoom ka ng zoom. Mga malilate ka sa ano eh.
Right.
Black,
Black ball, black ball.
Black,
Black ball, ha?
Naganda si Pakita.
Hindi ko natin nila. Number 4. Number 4, looking for Stevens. Looking for the pass to number 8.
Wala,
Take a
yun.
3-point shot attempt. No good. Then number 4.
Uy, yari.
Take a 3-point shot attempt. No good. Rebound by number 4 again by Batang. Batang, 12. Pass to number 10, Eric. That's a good one.
Ayaw, kaya tatrabaho pa tayo.
Foul by number 9, Latin.
Harap.
Number 8, dribbling the ball. Number 8. Number 8. Looking for the fade. Oh, he passed to number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Foul called by the referee. Number 9.
Wala na si Grillo.
Number 12. Pass to number 4. Number 4 make a shot. Good by number 4. The Hollow Man.
Anim lang.
Number 10. Pass to number 4. That's Batang. Batang to number 12. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 7, Max. That's a good shot by Max. Number 8. Number 8 leading the ball for the black team. For the black team. 6 minutes remaining. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 9. Oh, foul called by the referee Campian. Number 4. Number 4.
Malapit na oras.
Warning for the penalty. Warning only. Number 4. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. 5 minutes. Number 4. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 12. Take a shot. Number 4. Batang. Pass to number 12. Make a 3-point shot. A good 3 points by number 12. Our score is 43-34 in favor of yellow team.
Baliktaran na po.
Number 8, pass to number 12. Traveling violation call by the referee Campian. Yellow team ball.
Oh, bola, oh, walang receiver.
5 minutes and 17 seconds. 5 minutes 17. Time out. Black team.
Aras lang. Kanila yung bola, aras. 5 minutes pa.